see, it's a bit of a wreck in it, so it's going to be one of them quick choppy videos, I think, this one, where I'm going to basically just try and get it back to being a normal car. So we're going to fix the window, which is basically a window reg. Going to clean it up, clean all the tape off, clean all the bird shite off. That's about it really, so see you in a bit. Right, so we're going to be working pretty much out the boot of the car today, so let's see what we've won here. The parcel shelf is broken, I need to fix that as well. That should be a window reg, that's the door card. I think that's the door handle, the interior handle. So, one step at a time. I think we'll start with this and see what we've won. And as you can see, that's what we're swapping. That for that. It's like for like, hopefully. If there's any problems, I'm sure we'll work it out as we go along. But in theory, it's just a bolt off there. That should come off. Rethread the little thing. New one on, away we go. I'll bring you back when it's done. And look at that, 15 to 20 seconds later and it's on. It was doing me head in anyway because the old chrome bit, as you can see, was all starting to peel off. So I wanted to replace it anyway, and then when it snapped, that was the final straw. So no more GT3 RS lightweight door pulls, back onto a normal handle. As you can see, it functions, so that's one job off the list. Right, next is going to be open this, and this should hopefully be a window reg. So I'm going to open it, and that seems to be a window reg. Yeah, you can see it's all there, so I'll get it out. I'll try not to show you my address on the invoice. We'll get it all out and then get the old one off and see what we can do with it. So this is the new reg, that's the old reg. They look the same, but this is the sticker that I've just pulled off here. Basically it was brittle, and anyway, look at that code there, RH2HESFR1.9M, and it perfectly matches the one off here. So this should be undo. Hang on, how do I do this now? Fucking thing. Should undo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts, I think. Should come away. Take the wiring off here, swap it all over. Job. Should be a piece of piss. I'll ring you back when it's done because nobody really wants to watch it. I'll have to swap that bracket over as well. But again, it's 2 bolts, so it's a piece of piss. I'll bring you back when it's done. So there we are, that's what, 2 minutes later, that's the old one out. That's the new one ready to go back in. If this works, there's my door strips, no glass. The glass is safe and sound in the boot, as you can see. And I'll be giving this a clean up with the razor blade because of where I had the tape on it and everything before. So now it's just a case of chucking everything back in. Right, I'll bring it back when it's probably built up, I think. Right, and would you look at that, it's all built up. So, in another rare turn of events, I've actually washed the window and got pretty much all the glue residue off. But this is back on. I've built everything up. I probably built it up too much because now it's going to be the first try to see if it goes up and down. So as you can see, I've just reattached the what do you call it, the buttons. Let's see, does it go up? It goes up. Does it go down? It goes down, and there's no noises. And does it go up auto? See if we can program that. And back down again. And let's try it. There we go. So yeah, I suppose actually some people might not know this. So if you do anything like this, right, and your one touch stops working, as you can see, I just made that work. You program it by holding it down for 10 seconds then put it all the way back up and hold it up for 10 seconds, or you can do it either way round and then it starts working again. Look. As Giulipa said, one touch is all it takes. I think that's who sung that. Anyway, I'll put the door card on and then it's car wash time. Right, so here we go. This is in total about a 15-minute project. So door card's on, door shuts, it opens again, window goes up, window goes down. Now the one thing I did overlook was the back of my mirror. I have got it, but it needs gluing on and I forgot to get the glue, so to be honest with you I just can't be bothered. I'll do that another time. I might do that and stitch it back onto the end of the video, but that aside, we'll go and wash all the bird shite off the outside of the car, and then that's the car done for now. Next step will be do all the interior and stuff, you know, give it a good scrub in here, get this like dust off the dash if you can see, all that sort of stuff, and then the car is basically back to I don't know what you'd call it, because it's not like tip-top condition, but back to being serviceable anyway. Right, I'll see you at the car wash. Right, and so there you go, another half a job done. Got the window and everything done. I'll sort the mirror, maybe even tomorrow. I'll give it a wash, and from a couple of feet away it looks alright, but the car wash I use is rubbish, so the wheels are still dirty. There's still a bit of bird shite left on there. Didn't do a very good job of cleaning this dust off the door, but I don't know as it'll come through on the camera, but overall it looks a bit more presentable, and it's only my car for getting to work and back every day, so I'm not really that fussed about it. So yeah, another job done. I don't know what we're doing next, probably some bits to the Porsche again, I'm not sure, maybe some more car shows, so we'll see you. Well, that's how that works. We'll see you next time in the next video. See you in a bit.